Good morning. Welcome to CupO'Forex. This is David Frank with your daily video analysis for November 25th, and today is Tuesday. Let's get started as Tuesday is a very busy day, and I want to sift through all this economic data coming out. Some things we need to watch very closely, some things not as closely, but there's a lot coming out, and it should impact all the financial markets from forex to equities to commodities. So let's get started. Already out this morning, several things came out. One, Bank of Japan Governor Kuroda gave a speech. No surprises there. China, we had the CB leading economic index, which met expectations. Not a bad thing. It was actually a good sign. And the Reserve Bank of New Zealand inflation expectation came in just a smidgen lower than what we expected at 2.1%. The Asian markets this morning in the Pacific Rim are trading pretty much in the green. Later on today, we do have gross domestic product data coming out, GDP out of Germany. We're expecting this to meet or come in slightly below expectations as the entire European Union is mired in some economic stagnation. Also coming out a little bit later today, except we want to watch very closely. We are getting in the inflation report hearings out of England. Let's listen to this, and as this will give some indication as to economic policy going forward, whether or not at the next meeting they might or might not raise interest rates and normalize policy. The biggest news coming out today at 1:30 p.m. GMT time, United States will be giving out its gross domestic product annual number. We're expecting this to come out at an annual percentage of 3.3% growth. We'll be listening very closely and watching very closely to see if there are any surprises in this number. If it comes out a little bit lower than expected, that might not be good for the equity markets. If it comes up higher than expected, that's a good sign. We expect it to meet expectation of 3.3%. However, we're not looking for any surprises here. Also coming out at 1:30 today, another key piece of data out of England. Retail sales month on month. We're expecting this number to come out at a solid 0.5%, which is better than last month's contraction of minus 0.3%. So let's watch this a little bit on the closely side. And also a little bit later this afternoon at 3 p.m. GMT time, we have consumer confidence numbers coming out of the United States. We're expecting this to come out at a solid 96. These are the economic news for today, and this is everything we'll be really watching very closely. Let's take a look at some technical analysis. I want to take a look at the dollar yen for today. Okay, our technical analysis for today. Like I said, I wanted to take a look at the U.S. dollar yen currency up here. I wrote yesterday that I was a little bit hesitant about going bearish out on the dollar yet in this market, as I saw a bunch of hesitation and beginning to rethink my theory. As you can see here, we seem to have hit a top near 118. 99, 119, which would have been a key handle. And if we had broken above that, we would have shot up to 120. We seem to now be testing. You can see a short-term rising trend line here, and we seem to have broken below that. I wanted to go over to our 4-hour chart and see where the traders are trading right now. As you can see, we have broken below the short-term trend line, which lies right here for today. Let me extend it a little bit. This number laid at just around a key handle at around 117.90, 117.95. Breaking below that opens up the chance that we could now test a little bit lower down towards 117.25, and below that we have a key handle at 115.800. As long as we stay above 115.800 overall, we remain relatively strong in the U.S. dollar. But right now it looks like we're correcting a little bit lower, and we could be looking at supports for today. Okay, this takes care of today's daily video. Have a wonderful day trading, and we'll chat again tomorrow.